Okay, so it's taco night here, and those are the lovely ladies that I live with, and we were wondering what this little switch does, and it's quite magical actually. It controls the TV. What kind of sorcery is this?
Best kind of sorcery.
Yes. Oh, and also Sykes on, which makes it better. Yes, and it is taco night. Let's see this lovely spread that we have for the tacos.
Do you want to look inside the oven?
Yes.
Behold.
See?
Tacos.
And it's really, really dark. Oh well, but those are taco shells. And this is the taco of champions. Of bowling champions.
I can do magic, watch. Light. That's not inside the oven.
Yeah.
Funny if it is.
That, not better. But those are taco shells in there. And here's more sorcery.
It works! Oh yes.
He's coming! He's coming! Whatever! Either way, the doctor's involved. But yes, sorcery.
No, turn on the TV. And it's off. Okay, let's turn. Hey, you take him out of the oven. I go keep on.
Yeah, and this is our apartment.
So put me in harm's way.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that was the sorcery, so bye.